Was a test of the National Weather Service emergency warning system at Cleveland.
Station test del sistema de alerta The proceeding was a test of the National Weather Service emergency warning system from Atlanta, KECE.
Transmitter will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warning selected watches within a 40-mile radius of your transmitter. This area includes the following counties in the Cleveland listening area: Banks, Durham, Cherokee, Clark, Dawson, Forsyth, Franklin, Gwinnett, Habersham, Hall, Hunt, Jackson, Madison, Oconee, Pickens, Stevens, Walton and White, Union and White in Georgia, and Clay County, North Carolina. System. This includes now return to our normal weather broadcasting. Georgia and Cherokee County, North Carolina, here is the official forecast from your National Weather Service for the listening area. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Highs in the lower 90%. Tonight, partly cloudy in emergency warning system at Cleveland, WXT53. This test is conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an action watch or warning. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings selected watches within a 40-mile radius of your transmitter. This area includes the following counties in the Cleveland listening area: Banks, Durham, Cherokee, Clark, Dawson, Forsyth, Franklin, Gwinnett, Habersham, Hall, Hart, Jackson, Lufkin, Madison, Oconee, Pickens, Stevens, Walton, and White. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting. Here is the official forecast from your National Weather Service for the Gainesville listening area. Today, mostly sunny. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Highs in the lower 90s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Tonight, partly cloudy in the